Welcome to 100 plus acres in Tennessee, featuring rolling fenced pasture, equine facilities, multiple barns, a stocked pond, riding arena, mountain views of the Appalachian Range, and a stately all-brick estate designed for luxury country living. Fenced acreage stretches across multiple sections of the property, creating organized grazing areas and open views in every direction. Equine facilities are fully established and supported by multiple barns, a riding arena, and functional outbuildings designed for daily operations. The layout allows for training, boarding, and horse management while maintaining efficiency across the property. A scenic pond adds both beauty and utility to the land, offering a peaceful water feature within the pasture landscape. Combined with the open fields and mountain views, it creates a classic Tennessee farm setting. Outdoor living is elevated with 2 levels of patio space, including a covered patio and outdoor fireplace. These spaces extend the home into the landscape, making it easy to enjoy sunsets, gatherings, and the surrounding mountain air. The main residence is a stately all-brick ranch featuring exceptional craftsmanship and luxury finishes throughout. Inside, the home includes a gourmet kitchen with hearth room, top-tier appliances, detailed woodworking, heart pine and tiger oak flooring, and 8 fireplaces that add warmth and character. Additional interior spaces include a pub room, theater room, study, and main-level primary suite, along with thoughtful features like a pet wash station. The home is designed for both comfort and entertainment on a grand scale. A 5+ bay conditioned garage with additional upper-level living space expands the property's flexibility for guests, multi-generational living, or extended stays. This Tennessee estate combines 100+ acres, equine infrastructure, barns, arena, pond, and a luxury residence into one complete property. It is built for farming, horses, entertaining, or private retreat living with unmatched scale and quality.